Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. And in this video, I'll just talk about things that is right now in front of you guys. So yeah, we'll definitely make today one of the best and wonderful day because it's a totally like soothing feeling, and I'm feeling totally amazing. I did like rainfall after a long time. It would just happen uh, in a particular place that right now I am, and yes, I just want to show you the things that is totally like clear and crystal right now. You can just see, my friends. It's a basically rocky place, and I'm just on that particular place, and yeah, it's amazing feeling. It's completely amazing. Uh, by the way, when these kind of things happen, like monsoons, heat, so all creatures feel uh, like exuberant or kinetic, and like that actually we human being also feel very much like energetic as well, because some whiles ago it was like scorching hot, and after like raining cats and dog, I'm feeling total like soothing and yeah, motivated. So you can see there is some trees over there because I'm in a particular jungle area, and nobody is there, only abandoned place. Some, I think, sound you like now getting, maybe the thunder some sound, because it may rain. Okay, once again the cloud is totally colliding each other right now, and that is where the sound is getting out of that or originating from that. So that is why you may be getting, I am not sure, because I am getting. So you may be getting, and lot of like birds who are like chirping right now or making their sound. Yeah. So I think they are also feeling happy and gossiping each other. Wow, it's a fantastic day, and we are totally like completely happy with this particular weather. So that is why maybe they are making this kind of sound, talking like the we the human beings sometimes also like get happy and talk to each other. Sometimes we also like hop, jump, and sometimes dance as well when you feel totally exuberant or elated aesthetic. So look, dear friends, basically is the water luck. I think I have to like show you very closely so that you can understand. Uh, so there is no particular way to go this particular rain, and that is why this water is totally stocked in this particular area, and this is known as water luck. So it is a basically common word. I think you maybe know, but if you don't, you can know to this particular video. Okay, and look, the farmer are right now preparing uh, for the like cultivations of the crops, and that is why they have already plowed land. I don't know the whole process, but yeah, absolutely I know something as a like son of the farmers, or I belong to like farmer family. So I'm not like belong to a businessman or someone who is rural rich. I'm totally a person who is totally like basically touch with the ground, and I always like talk about the reality. So that thing. Yes, you can see the cloud. It's the weather is totally cloudy. Very beautiful scene, right? Yes, yeah. There are some trees. If you just want to know, you can just comment on my video. I'll definitely talk about all of that particular trees in English language, what they are called in English. Whatever the trees are just right now in front of me or camera. So if you want to know, I'll definitely make a videos regarding that. But I think you all guys knows that, so that is why I do not want to make a videos regarding that. By the way, my dear friends, let's talk about something which is important. This was also important to make our day a little bit energetic and fantastic. But let's talk about something which is important as well for us and as a learners. So one thing I would definitely talk about in this video is that, my dear friends, if you are also like learning this particular language, so make something in your life which is going to be important, or things that you want to achieve. So I think you should definitely work on that. Even if you are learning this particular language, so work on that very carefully and consistently, so that you can definitely achieve that. And yeah, I would say that much only. And if you want to like learn more and more words, okay, I'll definitely help you, because in my mind there are many vocabularies, because I have worked 7 to 8 years, and with the span of time I have achieved so many things. So I think for today it is enough. So thank you very much. Have a great day.